Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to find your MetaMask private keys. If you want to find your MetaMask account's private key, then first of all, open the MetaMask application on your device. Make sure that you unlock your wallet, and then once you're inside the home page, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. Inside Settings, tap on Security and Privacy. On the next page, scroll down and then look for Show Private Key option. For whichever account you've selected, your private key will be shown by tapping on the Show Private Key button. But before that, you'll need to enter your password for your MetaMask wallet to reveal your private keys. Go ahead and quickly write down your correct password for your wallet and click Next. Now, tap on the Hold button and make sure to hold it in order to reveal your private key. Now your private key will be shown on the screen. You can tap on Copy to Clipboard in order to copy your private key and keep it in a secluded location where no one will be able to access them. So that is how you will be able to find your MetaMask wallet's private key. Remember that your MetaMask private key gives full control of your funds, so never share it with anyone, never paste it into a website, chat, email, or cloud notes. Anyone who gets your private key can drain your wallet, and that loss is irreversible. So that's how you can easily find and export your private key on MetaMask. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.